Hi, my name is Dr. Patrick Reeves. I'm the president of Hands of Mercy Global Ministries, and we're here in Honduras doing the mission that God has called us to do. Unfortunately, in Honduras, access to healthcare, while generally available through socialized medicine, is extremely limited in practical terms. Most people can get to a doctor in the big cities, but can't often get the medication that they need. People in rural areas often go long periods of time without access to medical care, and because of that, child mortality rates and maternal mortality rates and just overall life expectancy and healthy life expectancy is poor. We're working to change that. We're bringing free health care and medications to people mostly in the state of El Paraiso, or the department as it's called in Honduras. And we've been working in the city of Danlí, the village of Teupicenti, as well as a few other trips to other parts of the country. We come down with teams of volunteers and we set up clinics. Typically, on average, we'll see anywhere from 800 to 1,500 patients in a week, with volunteers from all over the United States and additionally volunteers from Honduras itself. We believe that God has called us to bring the gospel and healthcare to people who otherwise wouldn't have access to it. We have a number of programs that we're working on, including a women's health program, screening women for cervical cancer, which in the United States is an extremely treatable and easily detected disease. However, in Honduras, most women don't have access to the regular screenings that they should have, and because of that, cervical cancer is one of the leading causes of cancer death among women in Honduras. We're also working to help lift entire families out of poverty through our medical student and nursing student scholarship programs, and we'd love to have your support. One of the ways that you can help is by volunteering and coming down to serve on one of our teams. We typically go about twice a year. You can click the links on our website or below this post for details. Additionally, we can always use financial support and, of course, your prayer support. For our education programs, we have selected Celeste, who is our first medical student. She's currently going through medical school on a scholarship program provided by Hands of Mercy. We pay for all of her school expenses as well as help her with room and board so that she doesn't have to try to work, and that her family, who lives in extreme poverty in the city of Danlí, don't have to try to take additional money out of their limited resources to help support her. The long-term goal being that she will be able to be employed as a physician here in Honduras, not only bringing healthcare to underprivileged communities, but also to be able to help lift the rest of her family out of the situation that they're in. Celeste has come and volunteered on our teams on multiple occasions. It's been a delight to work with. She's a brilliant young woman, and we look forward to being able to help other young people like her move out of the unfortunate situations that they were born into.